Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook corn soup in Heartopia. It's very easy and beginner friendly, so let's get started. First, just go to NPC Massimo and buy the corn soup recipe. And after that, just tap on your stove like this, and then just choose the corn soup recipe like this. And then you must complete the ingredients: milk and cheese. You can buy them from NPC Massimo. And then you need corns. You can get it from gardening. And once everything is ready, just simply tap on start cooking like this. And then just cook the soup. And okay, like this. If it's your first time cooking it, you will see a special cooking animations like this. That means you successfully cook the corn soup. And okay, that's how you can make corn soup in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.